how air occupies the space, how air is, and for all things we use the air. Air gives us so many things. Air is useful for the breathing. Air is useful for the blowing the balloons. Air is useful for the wind vehicles. Air is useful for the what? For all the things we use. In the previous class I told you. You also see which all uses we can get it from the air. Which all uses we get it from the air. Yes. You also see in the daily life we use the air. Yes. We feel the air. Yes. Okay. About that all things you also have to think about it, children. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next one. I told you air pollution. About the air pollution we'll study today, and how to maintain the cleanliness in the air we'll study today. After that we'll move on to the exercise. We'll solve it once and we'll finish off the chapter. Okay. Before we start the air pollution, we'll say the prayer, children. Okay. All of you close your eyes. Repeat after me. असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्यो मा अमृतम गमय ओम शांति शांति शांति. Okay, now we'll start with the air pollution, children. Today we'll see the air pollution. What is the meaning of pollution? Why we say it as a pollution? Pollution means making the surrounding dirt, making the all the things. I'm not telling only the air. Water also, making air, water also fully dirt, air also fully dirt, sound also. We have so many pollutions. In that, air pollution is also a one thing. Okay. In air pollution, if we do the pollution in air, we get problem in breathing. We get so many problems in our breathing. We get lungs disease, we get heart disease, we get throat disease. Yes, we get ear disease, we get nose disease. These are all diseases we get when we do the air pollution. So what we have to do? We have to maintain air clean. We have to maintain air clean. Okay. Now we'll see that chapter. We have all seen bonfires. You all seen the bonfires? Bonfires means andre ಏನಂದ್ರ ಕಟ್ಕಿ ಇಡೋದ ಸುತ್ತಲ ಕಟ್ಕಿ ಇಡ್ತಾರ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹಚ್ಚೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ bonfires. Okay. The smoke from bonfires goes up into the air. The smoke is also given out by factories. ಏನಾಕೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, bonfire ಹಚ್ಚಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಬೆಂಕಿ ಒಳಗಿಂತ ಫುಲ್ ಏರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಅದೇನಾಕೈತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾಕೈತಿ ಸ್ಮೋಕ್ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಮೋಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಏರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಕೈತಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ bonfire. One more thing is when we the forest fires. Have you seen the in the forest when the fire starts now, it starts taking all over the full forest, and that smoke will mix up with air and we get other type of smell only. Okay, that all things we see. Smoke is also given out by factories and motor vehicles. We get smoke from where all things? Factories. Okay, the factories, we have a chimney, from that we get smoke. That also mix up with the air. That makes pollution. That makes what? Pollution. And vehicles, from the vehicles we get too much bad air. That also mix up with the what? Our air. That makes what, children? Pollution. Air pollution. This smoke makes the air impure. Air that contains dust or a smoke is bad for us. It harms our health. Okay. From all, which all things we get air pollution? First one, from the bonfires. Okay. And the next one, we get from the factories. We get it from the vehicles. Okay. These all are the some causes of air pollution. So many things we have, but we are telling only 3 here now. Okay. So we have to maintain air pollution. We don't have to pollute our air. It will directly affect our what? It will directly affect our health. Okay. We get so many diseases when the air pollutes now. It directly affects our health. It's like a cycle only. When we pollute air, it starts affecting our health. Okay, understood? Okay. Now, clean air. How to get the clean air? Clean air is a colorless. Clean air is a colorless only. Air don't have any colors. It have a colorless. Air is a colorless thing. Okay, we don't have any color to the air. Okay. It also does not have any smell. We don't have any smell to the air also. When it mix up with something, then only we get what smell? Like perfume. Okay. When after the spraying, the water, it will be in the liquid form. After some times, it dried out. But the smell remains like that only. Yes. That is a mix up with the air. Okay. Next, we need fresh air to keep ourselves healthy. Namak fresh air sikra na fully healthy. We get what? Energetic. We feel what? Energetic. Full day we can work it with a full smile. It is good to have a gardens around our houses because plants help us to make a air fresh and clean. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ ಮನಿ ಬಾಜು ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರು ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನ ನೆಡಬೇಕಂತಾರ. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ಗಿಡ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ನಮಗ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಏರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೈತಿ. Okay, so we have to plant plantations. We have to do near our house. It gives us a good air. That good air affects our health and we can live our life happily and cleanly. Okay, today what all things we studied, children? In the previous class we studied about the air, about air, how it occupies the space. Okay, uses of air we studied. And today we studied about the air pollution, what are causes for the air pollutions, how it affects our body. We studied how to maintain the cleanliness in the air. What we have to do to clean our air, to get a clean air. What we have to do? We have to do plantation near our house. Then only we get fresh air. That will affect our body directly and we can be healthy. Okay, now we studied about these all things today. We'll move on to the exercise today. Before solving the exercise, I will give you hard words. Please write it 5 times. This is the homework for you, children. Homework. First word pollution, second one bonfire, third one factories, vehicles, and the fifth one around, sixth one impure, seventh one harms, eighth one smoke, ninth one garden, 10th one, the last one, that is colorless. Okay, these are the 10 words. You have to write it 5 times in your homework book. Okay, now we will solve the exercise. Open page number 183, children. In the exercise, write T for the true statement, F for the false statement. What they given? They given that T for the true, F for the false. They given some of the words there, the statement there. We have to just write it is true or false. Okay, copy these all hard words in your homework book and write it 5 times. Exercise, write it in your classwork. This one exercise you have to write it in your exercise. First main. Okay, only animals need air to live. Yes, it is only animals need air to live. No, all the living things which all are there near around us, that all need what? Air to live. Okay, so the statement is what? False. writing only the answer. You have to write the statement and then you have to write false and true. And these all things also you have to write it in your fair notes. Okay. Next one. Air is everywhere. Air is what? Everywhere. It's there everywhere. We can't identify here is air, there is air. We can't identify it easily because air is surround us. We can't see it, but we can feel it. Clean air is green in color. No, air don't have any color. So the statement is false. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Yes, we cannot see the air, but we can feel it. Air that contains smoke is good for health. No, smoke will affect our throat. It affects our lung. Smoke is not good for our health. False. Next one. Fill in the blanks. Okay, they given a space there. We have to write answers there. Okay. First one. We need dash air to live. What type of air we want? Clean air. We want what, children? Clean air. Second one. Smoke makes the air impure. Dirt. It makes what? Impure. Our air becomes impure. Fast moving air is called what? I told you in the previous class. Fast moving air is called as what? Wind. Plants makes the air fresh and clean. Plants makes the air fresh and clean. Wind helps to run wind cycle, windmills. Okay, I told you windmills. These all we studied in the previous class only. Windmills. Okay, these are the answers for the fill in the blanks. We did fill in the blanks and true and false. We'll see the answer the following question now. I will not write the answer the following questions on the board. I will send you the images in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Why should we have gardens around our house? Why we have to plant the trees near our house? It gives us fresh air and clean air. So we have to do gardens around us. Next one. Name the things that makes the air impure. Which are the two things? Factories, vehicles. Okay. These all makes our air impure. Okay. Impure means what? Population. Air population. List two uses of air. Which are the two uses? In your textbook also they mentioned. Okay. Page number 181. All living things need air to breathe. And the next one, for the blowing the balloons, vehicles, and the last one is what? Balls, footballs, volleyballs. These all want what? Air. Okay, these are the question answers. Only 3 question answers they given. We'll send you the answers of these all things. Now we'll move on to the next one, life skills. Take correct the things you can do to lessen air pollutions. Okay. Burn leaves and garbage in the open. What you will do? You burn the garbage. Garbage and the okay. You burn the garbage and leaves in the open. In the open air, we have to burn these all things. Not in the congested air. If you burn in the congested air, that all pollution will affect us. So we have to take out from the where we are living now, from the out near almost 10 kilometers far from the living area, we have to burn these all things. So the statement is correct. Plant more trees. Yes, we have to plant more trees. Instead of using a motor vehicles, use a bicycle or a bike to walk to cover short distance. Yes, we don't have to use vehicles for the short distance. We can walk and we can reach that place. If you don't want to walk, use bicycles. Okay, use bicycles to reach your destination. Use lots of room refresheners and perfumes. No, we don't have to use more refreshment, that perfumes that will affect our air and it make our air pollution. No, cancel. Okay. Ask your parents to carpool often. Carpool often means we don't have to use that type of a carpools. Okay, that all will affect our air. Keep lights and fans running all the time. No, we don't have to use electricity. It stops coming the air inside. Okay, so you don't have to use. The last one, values for life. Yoga has a many breathing exercise that help you stay healthy. Find out about 2 such breathing exercise and show them in the class. Okay, we can't do it in the class, but you can do it in your home. You also have to try 2 types of a yoga which help for the breathing. Okay, try to do it and we'll do it in the next class, and all the children have to do it and send in the WhatsApp group. Okay, 2 types of yoga which helps for the breathing. Okay, and hearts you have to do by yourself. Draw or stick a picture of a things that makes the air impure. Which are the 2 things which makes the air pollution? That you have to draw it here, or if you can't draw, stick the picture of that. Okay, 2 things. Factories also you can, vehicles also you can. Okay, draw or stick it in that book. Okay, today we completed this chapter. Please revise all the things. I given 10 words to write it. Write that, and with that today you have this homework also. Question and answers I will send you in the WhatsApp group. After that only write it in the fair book. Until that don't write in your fair book. Okay, complete these all things and we'll meet you in the next class, children. Bye.